out your textbook, that is my first book of phonics. सभी ने ये टेक्स्ट बुक निकाल ली है? Good. Now take out page number 1919. 1919. Now let's do the activities. Write a letter to make a word. Children, in this you have to see the picture. आप सब पहले pictures को देखोगे and write the first letter of the picture. Picture का first word, first letter आपको लिखना है. So tell me which picture is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is the picture of cat. Cat का first word क्या होगा? Tell me. C-A-T. Cat. Then what should I write here? Cat का first letter C. Then I will write C. C-A-T. Cat. Wow, this is a picture of rat. गणपति बप्पा में कौन होता है? गणपति का फ्रेंड rat. This is a picture of rat. R-A-T. rat. Then हम इसमें कौन सा स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे? Which letter? R. Then we will write R. R for rat. Wow, this is a picture of cab. C-A-B. Cab. Then we will write C. Children, what is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a tab. Then we will write T. T-A-B. Tab. ये क्या है? Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a picture of cap. C-A-P. Cap. Children, what is this? Tell me. जब हम कहीं जाते हैं, then हम लोग मैप का यूज करते हैं, right? रास्ता ढूंढने में. Yes, this is a map. Then what we will write? M. M for map. Children, what is this? Can you tell me? See the picture? Yes, it is a picture of van. आप स्कूल वैन से आओगे ना? Yes. Then what we will write? V. V-A-N. Van. This is pen. P-A-N. Pen. P-A-N. Pen. This is, tell me, ये तो सभी को पता है. Jam. Bread jam खाते हैं ना? Yes, this is a picture of jam. Then tell me, jam starts from which letter? J. Then we will write J. J-A-M. Now children, take out page number 2020. This page 2020. सभी ने पेज नंबर 20 निकाल लिए? Good. पेंसिल एंड इरेजर हाथ में है ना? Yes. Now let's do the activities. Read and tick the correct picture. Children, in this, first of all, we will read the words and then we will tick the correct picture. सबसे पहले हम words को read करेंगे and जो words right होगा, जिसका picture right होगा words related, then हम उसमें tick करेंगे. Okay, let's do the activity. M-A-P. Map. Children, this is a picture white picture है. The word is given mat. Tell me. Yes, we will tick on the mat. V-A-N, van. And the picture is given pan. And the other picture is van. Pan पे tick करें. Can we tick on the pan? No. Why? Because the word is given van. Then we have to tick on the van. Next word is bag. B-A-G, bag. यहाँ पे बैग है कहीं? Yes, it is there. And ये क्या है? टैग. टैग मीन्स जब हम न्यू कपड़े लेते हैं उसमें प्राइस टैग लिखा हुआ होता है, राइट? आप जब न्यू कपड़े पहनते हो तो मम्मा को बोलते होगे ना, मम्मा सीजर से कट कर दो प्राइस टैग. यस, दिस वन इज द प्राइस टैग. एंड हियर इट इज बैग. एंड द वर्ड इज गिवन बैग. देन कौन सा राइट है? टैग और बैग. यस, बैग. The last word is pan. P-A-N, pan. यहाँ पे pan है? Yes, this is the pan. And this one is van. Then we will tick on pan. So children, please complete this